Hello everyone and welcome back to Sincerely Grace. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So today I am doing a review on one of my most used SLGs, which is the Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder. I mean, I do not leave my house without this. It carries all my keys and you guys will see how much it actually carries. But yeah, I wanted to do this review because I know that a lot of people wonder about what their first SLG should be, and in all reality I think you guys need this. Definitely worth the investment. So without further ado, let's get started. So I've had this a 6-ring key holder for about 5 years now, and the reason why I initially bought this is because I had purchased the Neo Noe, the Louis Vuitton Neo Noe, and the interior of it had suede. I have since sold that purse. I no longer have it, but the reason why I bought this 6-ring key holder was to protect and maintain the inside of that purse. I carry a lot of keys with me, so I definitely did not want to scratch the inside, or even worse, like make a hole in it or whatever. I just wanted to make sure that I preserved the inside of that purse. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So I got it in the monogram print, and it does come with this gold button, but I use this to death. Like I have used it so much that the button is starting to basically discolor the gold. You can kind of see a little bit of the silver, which I don't mind. I know that happens with time. But so this does go ahead and open like this, and guys, let me show you. It's like I'm a janitor. I carry so many keys. Most of them, to be honest, are for work. And half of the other ones that are for my house, I don't even know. Besides the front door. Oh, and my mailbox. So as you can see, this definitely can carry a lot more keys than just 6 keys. I clearly have probably about, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. I have 13 keys, guys, and this definitely manages to close. I do have to sometimes position the keys a certain way, but I mean, it does close. Now, if I add my key fob for my car, this will not close. But I don't carry that in here. But yeah, guys, so it does come up with these little clips up here where you basically just put the key at the very top and it basically just hangs. These are able to basically come out. I don't know how, but I know they're able to come out because one has actually fallen before. But I always suggest, if you do own this, to always keep it closed, because like I said, one of these little thingies has come out before. So it does come with 6, very easy to put in. Basically you turn it on the other side, and it comes with, I don't know if you guys can tell, I swear guys, jingle jingle jingle. This does come with, if you flip them on the other side, this opens up, and then you're able to insert the key, and then basically you just flip it over, and then that way they are secure. So this does carry all the keys that I own and that I need to use on a daily. Definitely recommend it. It also comes with a little slot here on the side. So there has been times where I basically just carry this with me. And then I basically leave the house, because you're able to put your driver's license or maybe one debit card, one credit card back here, and then you're ready to go. Definitely very versatile as far as how you can use it. I see people use this as a wallet, because honestly you can. If you have a couple of cards, or if you only carry cash and you only have a couple of keys, this can definitely double as a wallet, because you're able to put your cards here on the side. But yeah, guys, I've had this for about, like I said, 5 years. I initially bought it because of the Neo Noe. I have then sold that purse. I no longer have it in my collection, but I added another purse that had suede, actually 2 purses. One that I have already sold. But the Gucci Dionysus in the mini size that I have also has suede inside of it. So, I mean, not only does this protect the inside, I mean, this is just the cutest little key holder ever. Definitely recommend it. This definitely will not only protect the suede inside of your purse in general. I mean, keys can be kind of harsh. So whatever type of purse that you do have, I definitely recommend getting one of these because this will protect the inside of your purse from getting scratched or getting damaged, especially if you have a suede inside. I find that more and more purses are actually having the suede lining interior. So I hope that you guys enjoyed my review on my 6-string key holder. Like I said, this is definitely a must in my collection. I definitely recommend opting out for something smaller if you're starting your collection. And this, I believe, is around the $200 mark, which isn't that bad for an SLG, especially one that is so functional and one that you know you will get multiple use out of it, because literally I use this every single day. But yeah, that is all. I hope that you guys enjoyed this review, and if you did, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. I will go ahead and see you guys on my next video. Bye.